Now we're going to add a steel stitch border around the circle. We're going to go back to the wire frame, and under the settings menu select steel. We're going to adjust the width setting to 0.098 or 2.5 millimeters. We're going to keep the density set at 63.69 or 2.5 millimeters. We're going to check underlay, center walk, and we're going to leave the stitch length to 0.098 or 2.5 millimeters. Click OK. Then we're going to change the color to Isocord 0934, and then we're going to zoom in and select the steel and arc tool, and we're going to place 3 points to start the border. Right click to finish, and then this area here we're going to use a running stitch because it's going to be covered with a complex fill, and we basically just want to travel from this area to the next area of the border. So we click on the running stitch and the arc and click 3 more points. Right click to finish, and then the steel, running, steel. We'll continue this process all the way around the circle. And we're going to finish off by the B in club. Turn the stitches on, and you can see the border. You can hide colors in the work area by right-clicking on the color in the color sequence bar. Simply right-click again to turn it back on. This makes it easier to see what you are working on. With the complex and Bezier tool, we're going to digitize the brown section of the monkey. We're going to zoom in, select the complex Bezier, and starting right here, we're going to just start clicking around the outside of the monkey. We're going to go back and make adjustments to the curves. So right now we're just going to be placing our points. When we get close to the first point, remember we're not going to overlap. We're going to come right next to it and right click and select End Object. Since we started here, we're going to want to end over here, and we want to make the slope direction to go up and down. We're going to select the object and change the color to Isocord 1134. And then we're going to go into the properties and change the settings. And here we're going to change the density to 30.97. or 1.22 millimeters. We're going to change the stitch length to 0.138 or 3.5 millimeters. We're going to have no underlay. I'm going to click OK. Now let's go back and make adjustments to the Bezier lines. We're going to click on the wire frame, and then we're going to zoom in, and with our select point icon we're going to click on the handles and make some adjustments to the shape. Okay, once we have everything the way we think it should look, we'll zoom out, click on stitches, and that looks pretty good.